we need to use.
Okay, okay.
Aravind. Yeah, I didn't cover. I'll explain today. I checked. Remaining everything okay. Connection, Aravind connection, correct?
Yes, sir.
Got it. Yeah. Yesterday that group A class, where class, having class I covered, right? Today what to do? Need to start single row function.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Session number 8. Got it. Single row function. That group function yesterday covered, right? Sum, average, maximum, minimum. Ramesh, Sarath, Seema,
Yes.
Venkat, got it. Today what to do? Single row function. The row by row process. What are they? String function, character function, mathematical function, date time function, conversion function, special function, overlap function. Got it? String or character function, mathematical function, date time function, conversion function, special function, overlap function, rank, tens rank, roll number. String function, character function, that return character value. Check it now. I'll create select ename, correct, from emp table. Check it. Now I need to find out length of ename. That's length. Got it. Correct? Length. Lower case. I want to convert lower case as lower. Get want to convert uppercase. Upper. Get I want letter reverse letter. Coming in?
Yes.
Reverse letter. I want first letter capital letter. Init cap function away. Everybody understand? Initial letter capital. Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Very.
Sir, what if we need last letter as a capital?
Last letter capital letter.
Yes.
User predefined not available. User defined we need to create.
Okay.
Take any spaces are the last letter capital letter.
Sir, this is only for temporary, right? If you want to, after we make changes like this, right? If you want to make it permanent,
Update.
we should use update command to.
Update command. After that, put commit.
Can you do it, sir, once?
Update command. What to do now? Select star from employee, right? What happened? This job is done. I want to convert small letter and need to change permanent, correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Date emp set job equal to lower of job from emp. Update emp set job equal to lower of job. Where condition not required. 14 row updated or not? Small letter converted, Anna.
Yes.
You want to make permanent, correct? Commit, Anna.
Yes, sir.
That's what.
Wow.
Got it?
Got
Understand?
it, sir. Yeah.
Correct.
Thank you, sir.
Got it, sir.
It's select command only filtering time, correct? Very good. Otherwise, what to do? We can use the individual table, lower of Swami. This is also correct. Coming Anna, lower of Swami from D1 or upper of Swami. Length. Check it. Unit cap. This is every word first letter capital letter. Mohammed Swami, correct?
Yes, sir.
Every word first letter capital letter. Listen, length, what happened? Including space also counting. Check it, length. Length. Mohammed, correct?
8.
Or 30.
Plus-
30, correct?
Yeah, 30.
30, including space also. Able to understand?
Got it.
Could you able to understand?
Yes.
Able to understand?
Okay, sir.
Got my select length of Muhammad Swami. Check it. Substring. What happened now? Muhammad Swami is there, right? I want to extract only Muhammad, only I need to extract. Tell me, Muhammad means starting position 1. Length of the character. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
But I want Swami only record. Then what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Space also one character. 10. 10, comma, Swami,
4.
right? 4. But I want only Sam. Then 10, comma, 3, right?
Yes, yes.
Could you able to understand? Got an idea? Yes. Listen, in string. This function only I told. In string, what happened? This substring extracting the string. In string, what happened? Matching character will get it. Select in string Mohammed Swami. Here A character, right? Mohammed Swami. A character available or not, checking. If it is available, that matching index number will get. Check it, Mohammed Swami. A available or not? The input string, searching character. Here A available or not? Available. What is the position number? 1, 2, 3, 4, correct?
Yes, sir.
Getting on? But what is my requirement? I want second A. Second occurrence. That case, what to do? Mohammed Swami A, searching character. Starting position 1, second occurrence. Third, fourth parameter. Input string, searching character. Starting position 1, second occurrence, correct?
Sir,
Yeah,
what will happen if we give if we give 3 occurrence and there are the only 2 words? So
No problem. Third word, the 2 second occurrence it will come. N number of word not issue.
okay,
So now
okay, sir.
Mohammed Swami Aravind, third occurrence, na, third letter. Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Third occurrence, correct? Able to follow me? Third occurrence. I want what to do? You are asking, right? Write a function to find the length of the string without length function, correct?
Sir.
Question number 13, correct? Listen, I will show you. This only your doubt, right? Question number 13, assignment 2. Third, right? What to do? Select. In string we can use it. Arvind. One special character. Last, we need to add one special character from D1. What will be the result? Aravind hash. Coming, Anna? Matching character index number coming, Anna? Put -1. That is a length,
6
right?
will come.
Aravind 6.
So the last alphabet it will deduct, sir. The last letter
Yeah.
from the name.
Last letter, we need to check. Last matching character position number. -1 na previous character. 6 coming, Anna?
Yes, sir. Right.
Able to follow me?
Got it.
Able to understand? Got it? Understand? Get it? This only you are asking, correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yeah. Is second occurrence, third occurrence. One is a starting position. Next, replace. Ali Muhammad Khan. Muhammad replaced into Muhammad. Second, Ali Muhammad Khan. Muhammad replaced into Muhammad. Full word coming, Anna? Ramesh, Sarath, Seema, Venkat got it? Full word coming. This is word replace, word by word replace. I want character by character, I want to replace. Character, this is word by Muhammad replaced into Muhammad. I want character by character. Then what to do? Translate A, B, C. That A character replaced into B. B place replaced into C. C replaced into D. D replaced into E, correct?
Okay. Sir.
This is character by character. BCD coming, Anna? Now I'll give SQL school. So S replaced into T, right? Q replaced into R. Correct, Anna?
So you give so
This
many
character
alphabets,
by-
but you got only few letters in output.
Which one? Which one?
ABCD అన్ని ఇచ్చారు కదా సార్, కొన్ని వచ్చినాయి కింద.
అన్ని రాదు, మీ ఏ ఇచ్చారో అది వస్తుంది. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
9 కరెక్ట్ వచ్చింది కదా.
So it is
The
replacing.
SQL school is a replace character.
Okay.
Yes, A place, this replace the replacement. A place we are going to replace B. Encryption, decryption function.
Sir, can we use this for Chinese language?
One second.
సార్ సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకోండి సార్. వర్డ్స్
Listen. For now, this is listen, Ramesh. This is word by word replace. Muhammad word replaced into Muhammad full word. Correct, Anna?
ఎస్ సార్.
The character by character replacing. The input string character. For now, A, B, C, I given A value replaced into B. A plus B replacing.
Yes.
B value replaced into C. C value replaced into D. D value replaced into E. Correct, Anna?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Got an idea?
Yeah, yes.
Got an idea? Now understand everyone? Very good. Character by character. So for example, I'll replace Ramesh word, right? Ramesh Chapandi, R after that, yes,
Yes, sir. S
A after
S
that,
B
B, right?
S B N
M
F.
after that, N, correct? Or?
Yeah. Yes,
Able
sir.
to understand? Could you able to follow me?
Yes.
Very good. Next, what to do? One more Sai Kirana, yes replaced into T. T replaced in this. Okay. Simple word. What is the interview question? What is the difference between replace and translate? Replace word by word. Translate character by character. Second, next, sound X function. This function is used to check the pronunciation rather than exact character. This function is used to check the pronunciation rather than exact character. So nowadays, Google searching, small children, everyone not typing, right? Searching, right? Tamil
Yes,
song,
yes.
English song. Okay, na? Get again. So that case, for example, this function is used to check the pronunciation rather than exact character. For example, many people writing the name Sumit, 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 but they are pronounced Sumit only, right? Check it. I given misspell sound X. Sumit sound X matching or not check. Coming Anna. Sumit pronunciation matching Anna. Everybody got it? Matching Anna. Next, R pad, L pad. This is for printing format. Listen, select R pad, E name, comma 10, star from EMP10. Some employee name 5 characters, some employee name 10, but I want remaining star will come. Sumit, Alain, Ward, Jones, Martin, correct? Could you able to understand?
Sir, first 5 letters are alphabets. Why remaining are coming with star, sir?
No. Totally length 10 record.
Okay, yes,
Some
sir.
employee name 5 letter, some employee name 6 letter, some employee name 2 letter. Remaining star will come.
Okay. But we nowhere mentioned that the first 5 digits should be only alphabets, right?
No, that is you are retrieve data from the employee table. Employee name selected.
Sir,
Remaining
if we
star.
want
Yeah.
one doubt,
Ah.
if we want the star mark to be before starting of the letter,
L pad. Listen, Ramesh, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ రాంగ్.
Sir.
ఇది ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్ టేబుల్లో ఉంది.
Yes, sir.
ఆ ఎంప్లాయీ నేమ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. 10 లెటర్ కావాలి.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు 5 లెటర్ ఉందా రిమైనింగ్ 5 స్టార్, 6 లెటర్ ఉందా రిమైనింగ్ 4 స్టార్, 4 లెటర్ ఉందా రిమైనింగ్ 6 స్టార్. అలైన్మెంట్
Okay,
కరెక్టా అన్న? 6 లెటర్ కమింగ్ అన్న. ఇప్పుడు
Yes,
నాకు
sir. Okay.
కరెక్టా అన్న? నాకు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ కావాలి ఎల్ పర్డ్. ఇదే కదా అరవింద్. ఇది ప్రింటింగ్ ఫంక్షన్, అలైన్మెంట్ ఫంక్షన్. ఎవ్రీబడి గాట్ ఇట్?
Yes, sir.
Next, what to do? One more printing function. PLSQL time I'm going to use. Okay. R pad. No. Next, L trim. Leading space remove. From view. L trim na leading space remove. R trim. Right side space remove. Coming on. Both side I want to remove. What to do? Trim function. Correct, Ara? Both side removing on.
yes.
Next, what to do? One more function. Don't want to up. These functions are I'm going to use PLSQL program. That's why I covered today.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Na? So now what to do? One more function. E name comma job is there, right? I want to concatenate. That case,
Sir,
what
we
to
have
do?
to use. Sir,
Yeah,
we
tell me.
have to use space, sir? Why we have to use? We are giving the syntax, right, like a L-trine and L R-trine, like
If
we are giving.
if
So
we are given input, any spaces are there, that unwanted space, how to remove it? Using trim, L trim, R trim we are using.
in syntax, why we are using the space, sir? That's my question.
Correct. Okay, now I'll show you. www.gmail.com.
Hello.
Did you created account? Email account?
ఎవరు?
హలో నమస్తే సార్
నమస్తే. ఎవరు?
Seema?
ఎట్లా మీ నంబర్ చూసి
You are created
Yes, sir.
email account, right?
నాకు
Yes, sir.
ఆఫ్టర్నూన్ కాల్ చేయండి, బిజీగా ఉన్నాను ఇప్పుడు.
You are created email account, right? 1 second. I'll sign out. Okay. I'll create new account. Use another account. I'll create a new account for myself. Now we need to provide first name, but I given space and type first name. Is it correct? That space not allowed, right? We need to remove it, right?
Yes, sir.
If unexpectedly some client given that space, how to remove it? Space don't want, right? Some client uneducated client, they are given space unexpectedly. How to remove the space? Space error, na?
Okay.
Special correct. How to remove the space? Database level. Need to use L tree. Same like this. After typing also, after some spaces are there, empty space, I want to remove L tree. This plan.
Can you please execute that one, sir? L-trine.
Listen, left side space remove. Unwanted space remove.
Sure. Okay, but here we given a space SQL space, right?
SQL school, before space, after space.
Okay.
Can
We
I
have
remove
to
another? But L trim only remove left side. R trim only remove right side. But both side I want to remove trim function. Correct?
okay. Okay, sir.
Correct? Understand that? So why sometime you are fill up all the detail or employee details you are fill up, or you are upload the resume, you are fill up all the detail. If you are given space e name wrong, right? So we need to remove it, correct?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? How to do that? How to remove the empty space? We have to use it program level, L trim, R trim we need to use. Correct or no? Right. But now e name comma job, both I want to combine into single cell. Then what to do? Concatenate we need to use it. So e name is A. Correct or no? Sumit is a clerk. Again concatenate. Correct? Coming on.
Concat.
So I want to add two string, right? Which function we can use it? Concatenation function. Able to understand? Correct? Otherwise, what to do? Pipeline symbol we can use it. E name is A. Coming on.
Yes.
Got. This is everything string function, correct? E name, R pad, L pad, L trim, concatenation, correct? One more function available, regular expression count, very important. I given developer admin within the string E how many time available. One character how many time available. Check it. Select regular expression count. Okay, na? Jagan Mohan Reddy. Here A how many time available? Powerful name na Ramesh?
Yes,
Seema?
sir. 3.
Venkat? sir.
3
Your
times.
CM na? Your CM na?
Our
Ramesh?
CM is
Yes, sir. Our CM.
KCR, sir.
Acha, acha, KCR. Okay.
Our
Sir,
CM is Jagan. Yes, sir.
Jagan, right?
Yeah.
You are from Andhra, right? Seema,
Yes.
Seema, you are from which place?
Telangana, sir. Yes, yeah.
Telangana. Okay. Venkat from AP, right?
From Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay.
Oh, I'm only Jagan Mohan Reddy, sir. This line is only for me.
Okay. Aravind from Aravind.
I am from Chhattisgarh, sir.
Oh my God, out of syllabus.
Out of South, na? Okay, very good. No problem.
Yes.
Right. Jagan Mohan Reddy, right? So Jagan Mohan Reddy is a powerful name, right? CM, right?
Yes, sir.
Here A, how many times available? Okay, na? So one character, how many times available? For now, I want to check space, how many spaces are available? Coming, Anna? Able to understand? Everything string function. Don't want work up, just execute it. While PLSQL time, I'm going to explain all the function. That time I don't want to repeat, that's why cover. Just one by one, execute and come. Same like this, mathematical function. This is string function. Everybody understand, right? So now what to do? Mathematical function. Execute and come. That time I don't want to repeat how many parameter. That's why cover today, one session. Second, absolute. You are given negative number, return positive number. This is mathematical trigonometry function, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Try to understand and execute. Otherwise, see the output, understand, and we can go. Logarithmic value 10, 2. Exponential e power x. Square root of 100. Check it. Power 10, 3. 1000. Correct. Getting on it? Got it? 10, 3. Got my point? Correct. Power 10, here remainder operator not available. Slash means quotient, very important. You want to get remainder in PLSQL, modulus function. 100 divided by 3, remainder 1. Check it. You are given negative number, return -1. We are given positive number, return +1. You are given 0, return 0 only. Got it? 0. Able to understand? Next, round 888, 2. After decimal point, 2-digit rounded. 8, 9 coming on. 1 mean after decimal point, 1-digit rounded. 888.9. 0 means what happened? Whole number rounded. 8889. Check it, 88.2. After decimal point, 2-digit rounded. But this is a round and extracting. But truncate not like that. Only extracting, not rounding. Whatever number you are given, that 2-digit after decimal point, 2-digit extracting. 88 only it will come. What's the difference between round and truncate? Round the number and truncate, extracting. Truncate only extracting, not rounding. What will be the result? Tell me. 0.81. 888.8. 0 means what happened? 888 it will come. Truncate 88 or round 889 will come.
Got it, sir.
Sealing what happened? Next positive integer. Sealing
Okay.
888, right? Next number. Floor what happened? Lowest value 888. What? 88. Seal na next positive integer. Floor lowest positive integer. Correct? Check it. This is mathematical function. Lot of functions are there. Going to use frequently used function in the project finder. Next, date time function, very important. I want to display today date. Check it. Want to display today date. This date. Coming on. This date na server date. Let us take one example. Server in US, client working in Hyderabad. This date na server date. P na current date, nothing but a client date. P, C, yes, yes. C for current is client, S for server. But here both we are installing local, right? Same date. S for server, C for client. System timestamp na server timestamp will come. Current underscore timestamp, client timestamp will come. Listen, sys date from dual server date. But here I don't want all format. I want only extract year. Then what to do? 2 underscore character sys date y year coming on. 2 underscore character sys date month, right? Month number February coming on. 2 underscore day today Friday, right? Otherwise what to do? 2 underscore character year also correct. Otherwise, one extract function available. This built-in function. Year sysdate comma yy. Year from sysdate. Year will come. Or month from sysdate. Extract month from sysdate. Or extract day from sysdate. Both same. But one different, through 2 character we can return number, all character data type. But extract always number only it will come. Everybody got it?
Got it, sir.
Today I am going to deposit so and so amount on so and so bank. How many days I am going to deposit? 100 days. Then I need to give maturity date, right? So sys date plus 100. After 100 days, what is the date will come? So that is June 5th, right?
Yes.
Add underscore month. Okay, now today date, right? Sys date, comma 100. This is only plus operator by default day it will take. Add underscore month, 100 month it will take. Coming on?
Yes, sir.
I want 100 year. Then what to do? First we need to extract the year plus 100. Able to understand? I want this month last day, last underscore day, FAQ, frequently asked the question. I want today Friday, next Friday, what is the date? Next day. Yes or no? Everybody? Next underscore day, correct? Or? Everyone got it? Next underscore day, sys date Friday. Same like this, first day of the month, any idea? No function. Today date, what is the date?
Sys
25 minus 24. 25, today date, minus 24 from dual. First day of the month coming on. This minus 24, how to select? Select 2 underscore character. Sys date minus 1 comma d. Coming on. Minus
Yes.
1 na previous day. Instead of 24, we can paste it here. Able to follow me? Any doubt? Everybody got it? Got it? This is date time function. Correct?
Got it.
Same like this. Date time round function also available here. I'll show you. Listen. Round of system date, day rounding. Per day how many hour? 24 hour divided by 2, 12 hour. So what is the time now? 11 o'clock. Today off day not completed, right? Today date it will come. Same thing we execute after 12 o'clock, tomorrow date it will come. But truncate not like that, always 24 hour, same date only it will come. First function execute after 12 o'clock, tomorrow date it will come. Same like this month rounding. Per month how many days? 28 days. This month 28 days divided by 14 days over. For now 25 days. This month half month over. So next month first day it will come. March 1st it will come. But truncate not like that. Totally 28 days, 1 month. February 1st only it will come. Current month.
Sir, I have one doubt. If it is a weekday, we need to find out.
Which one weekday? Yeah?
Yeah.
Weekday na Friday, right?
And I mean,
DAY.
okay.
I told na DAY. 2_ character DAY.
Okay, sir.
Okay na? Day of week na DW. I covered right?
Okay, sir.
Arvind. Getting on? Listen. For now what to do? Month rounding. Month always truncate. Correct? Year rounding. Per year tell me 12 months divided by 6 months. This year now second month going on. Off year not off month off year not over, right? So 011 is number equal. 011 22. After 6 months execute 011 2023 will come. But this truncate year not like that. Always 365 days. Current year first day only. One of it. Everybody got it? Everyone understand?
Yes, sir.
Truncate
Yes.
system date year. Listen, for now, give me your date of birth, how many year, how many month I'll select. Listen. So for example, your date of birth is 4th January 94. Let us take one example. How many year, how many month, how many days? How to do that? So let us say example, your date of birth, 4th January 94. How to calculate? Select month between function available. Sys date. Getting it? Month between sys date from D1. This is what happened. Month will come. I don't want month, year, right? Divided by 12 as year. Correct? If your date of birth 94, your age 28. But I don't want a decimal point, correct? Truncate. Remove the decimal.
Sir, we gave 4th Jan 94. I didn't get this one.
What is your date of birth? Give me your date of birth.
10th April 1985.
10th
April?
10th April
Sir.
or 04, correct? No problem. 1985.
85.
Katana. Your date is 1985. Katana.
Yes, sir.
So what to do? Sys date. What happened? Here, year between function not available. Month between it will come. So your date of birth after that month between, correct? So here how many months are there will come. Coming in. Your after birth 442 month available. But I don't want month, I want year, age record. So total month divided by 12. That is a year. Every year 12 month, right?
Yes, sir.
So your age 36, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
I don't want a decimal point, correct? How to do that? Truncate, correct? Ramesh, your age 36, correct or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir, we are using here year na, sir. So why we are using the months truncate? I mean truncate of the months. So we have to use
Yeah.
year,
Why?
right?
Because a year between function not available. Directly year between not available. Month between available. Month you are getting divided by 12 is a year, correct?
Yes, sir.
Why truncate? Remove the decimal point. Got it? Seema got it?
Yes, sir.
Ramesh? Getting it? Month between divided by 12 is a year, right? So now what to do? But month between year, okay. Remaining a month record, correct? Then what to do? Modulus 12. Divided by 12. Quotient is a year, remainder is a month. How to calculate month? Select. Again month between. Sys date 10/04/1985. Now year calculation over next month, right? As month from D1. Month between spelling mistake, correct? Yeah. Give me 1 minute. Month between, correct? Anna? 1 minute. Got it? I'm back. Arvind, Ramesh sir. Got it? Yeah. Check it. This is month between. So your age divided by 12 is a year. I want remainder, correct? Then what to do? Modulus, correct? Modulus 12 is a remainder. Ramesh, got it? Your age 36 year, 35, 36 year, 10 month, correct? Anna? Decimal point. Ramesh,
Yes.
the 2 month check.
Yes.
10 year, 2 month. 10 month, right?
Yes.
Could you able to understand? Got it? Next, I want to calculate day. Understand? Why? Because year between not available. Aravind, got it? Sarath.
Yes.
Year between, month between divided by 12. Total month divided by 12 is a year. Remainder 12 is a month. That are same like this. I want to calculate day. Check it, E name, higher date. Month between divided by 12 is a year. Month between modulus 12 is a month. After that, I want to calculate day different. Today date minus add underscore month. Add underscore month, your date of birth, comma, number of month. Number of month, go to calculate. Truncate month between sys date, comma, higher date. Check it now. How to get the year, month, day between 2 days. Got my point? Second, E name, higher date, month between, divided by 12 is a year, month between modulus 12 is a month. Day, how to calculate? Today date, minus add underscore month. Your date of birth, comma, number of month. How to calculate number of month? Truncate month between, sys date, comma, higher date.
Okay, sir.
This guy joined in the year 17, 12, 80, 41 year, 2 month, 8 days. This guy joined in the year 81, February, 41 year, 5 days, correct? 41 year, 3 days, correct? Everybody got it? Ramesh? Or particular date also we can check. For example, your date of birth 1391. So how many year? How to calculate a month between divided by 12? Interview people are expecting frequently asked the question. How to calculate year, age, month? Month between divided by 12 is a year. Month between modulus 12 is a month. Today truncate, add underscore month. Correct? Try to complete today itself. Rima got it? Venkat? Sarath, Aravind, everybody? Ramesh?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Got it? Date, time completed. Next, what to do? Conversion function. Conversion function are used to convert one data type into another data type. Check it. Number into varchar, 2 underscore character. Varchar into date, 2 underscore date. Varchar into number, 2 underscore number. Date into timestamp, 2 underscore timestamp. Any data type to any data type.
Sir, sometimes first we give number. Later, if you want to give data type to varchar, then we are able to change
2
the
underscore,
right?
2 underscore character. Very good. Super. Correct? You are given number. Very good. Correct. Check it now. 2 underscore character. Sometime I want day format, month format. Correct? Check it now. Select 2 underscore character, sys date, day format will come. Month format. Year format, correct. 2 underscore character, sys date, MMDDYY, correct. For now you are given date 8th September, but I want PLSQL date format. Character means alpha character format. 2 underscore date, now you are given character format, written date format. This is a PLSQL date format, correct? Two underscore timestamp, date into timestamp format.
Sir, I have a question, sir. So,
Very good.
When we create a table, we define the data types, right? The time, creating table time. So, once you create the table, and can we change the data type into that specific table?
Yes, we can change alter command. It's compatible data type change, not all data type. Number
Not
into
data,
varchar
but
we can
data
change.
type we can change, but not the data you are saying.
Data కూడా చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అప్డేట్ కమాండ్
Okay.
అన్ని మాడిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు కాలం నేమ్ చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కాలం ఫీల్డ్ ఇంకొకటి one more column record we can add it, delete it, modify, adding change data type, but convenient data type.
Sure. Sir.
Got it? For now date format I want to convert timestamp, 2 underscore timestamp. For now 1000 I given single quote is a varchar, 20,000 single quote varchar. That varchar I want to convert number, 2 underscore number, correct? Katara?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Got my point? Able to understand? 2 underscore number, correct? Any data type to any data type.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now string function completed mathematical data time conversion. Next is special function. How to get the username, user function. How to convert null value into other value, NBL. How to update multiple condition in single update statement, decode function completed. Anna.
Yes.
Case expression. V size na varying array size, correct? For example, V size. So now I want to store 1000 inside the Oracle database. 10,000 inside the Oracle database. How much byte record? That size will come 2 byte enough. I want store today date. How much byte record? Actual size 7 byte enough. I want store timestamp. How many byte record? 13 byte. I want store IBM school. How much byte record? That actual size will come.
Yes, sir.
Everybody got it? Got an idea? V size. Same like this, one more function is there. Scholastic function is there.
Scholastic.
It return the first not null value or pick up the first not null value. It return first not null value. Tell me now, select. Scholastic function 100 plus null. Null only. 2t minus any value add by null null. Any value multiply by null null. Null null. What is their answer? It pick up the first not null value. What will be their output? Tell me. Anyone?
100.
No. Pick up the first
255.
not null value. 2t5.
255. Then 230.
230. Any value add by null and null. Any value subtract by null null. 12 into null null. 2t5 only. Ramesh. Got it? For now, here also 2t5 minus null null only.
Then 2345 will come.
Yes.
So what is meant by scholastic function? Null value will not come. It pick up the first not null value. Correct?
Yes.
For now, NVL function, that is 2 parameter. NVL2 available, second version 3 parameter. Select e-name, e-number, salary, commission. Salary plus NVL function. Commission value null, 0 replacement. This is I covered, correct? Output is same. Other 3 parameter available. Commission null, 0 replacement. Commission not null, commission replacement. In that commission place, we can put any other column also replace. But here not like that. Commission null, 0. Commission not null, compulsory commission only, right? But here not like that. Commission null, 0. Commission not null, other column also we can replace. That is NVL2.
Okay, sir.
Got my point? Able to understand? Any column. Check it. NVL function. Check it. If e-name, e-number, salary, commission, NVL. Expression 1 is null, return expression 2. 1 is null, return expression 2, else expression 1. Check it. Here expression 1 is null, then return expression 3 or expression 2. Could you able to follow me? Katara? Here expression 3. Expression 3 one advantage, any other column we can return, correct?
So null value, why we have to use? Nothing we will getting, right? So why we have to use? What is the use for null?
Null value. For now adding null value, null only it will come, right? For now salary plus commission, correct? This guy no commission, but we have to pay salary 800, right? But total null value coming, correct? Is it correct output?
No, sir. We have
No,
to define null as a 0 for this condition.
Zero. Correct. Let's see, my asking that's what I'm saying. Is it correct output?
Before one, sir, I'm asking, not this one.
కాదు
And
ఇది చెప్పండి ఇది చెప్పండి ఇది ఆన్సర్ కరెక్టా లేదా Wrong or correct?
No, sir. It should be 800.
Hmm?
It should be 800, sir, total.
800. That case, what to do? Null is an undefined. I want to replace some other value. That case, commission, comma, 0. Yes or no? But output 800 coming on. అందుకే ఎన్విఎల్ యూజ్ చేసాం. మీ క్వశ్చన్ అదా వేరేదా? మీ క్వశ్చన్ ఇదే కదా?
Okay, sir. No,
ఎన్విఎల్
sir.
ఎందుకు?
Before one, sir, not this syntax, before syntax. Can you open that?
Yeah.
Here, select to
Colasil.
Colasic
Yeah.
function. Yeah.
Yes,
Read the point. Colasic function, we can create multiple expression. What is the role of Colasic function? Check it now. It return
not null values, or it picks first
first
not
not null.
null values.
100 plus null null, 2t minus null null, 12 into null null, 2t by 2.
So what is the use here? Means you are getting the 100 plus null 100 only, right? So we can commonly we can give right 100 comma 250 plus
No,
like we
100
can give right.
100 plus null ఎవరు చెప్పారు? 100 plus null null only na.
Yeah, 100 only, right? So we can
No,
give 100
not
only,
100.
right?
Not 100. 100 plus null 100. Now it will come 100. Null only it will come. Any value, now only I told na. Any value add by null only it will come, right?
Subtraction also null, right, sir? 250 minus null null.
ఎనీ వాల్యూ యాడ్ బై ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ చెప్పినా కదా లెసన్ శాలరీ ప్లస్ కమిషన్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ యాడ్ బై నల్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ రైట్ 100 ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ మల్టిప్లై బై నల్ రైట్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ డివైడెడ్ బై నల్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ బై నల్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ కరెక్ట్
Yeah, okay.
ఓకేనా సో 100 ప్లస్ నల్ 100కి రాదు నల్లే వస్తుంది 2t మైనస్ నల్ వస్తుంది సరిగానా ఎనీ వాల్యూ యాడ్ బై నల్ ఎనీ వాల్యూ మల్టిప్లై బై నల్ బట్ దిస్ కొలాసిక్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇట్ రిటర్న్ ఇట్ పిక్ టెల్ మీ పిక్ ది విచ్ వన్ ఫస్ట్ నాట్ నల్ వాల్యూ కరెక్టానా వాట్ విల్ బి ద రిజల్ట్ నౌ వాట్ విల్ బి ద రిజల్ట్ 100 plus null 2t minus null 12 into null 2t 5 will come coming Anna.
Which type of business case we use this scenario?
What to do? Sometime they are given null value. I don't want take null value. I want first not null value. We need to select Colasic. We need to use some data, some column null value also coming.
Okay, sir.
Everyday business wise, everyday we are using Colasic NVL is compulsory interview question. Point to be noted, it pick up the first not null value. The NVL function converting null value into some other value. This is converting, is selecting.
Okay, sir.
Ramesh got it? Seema got it?
సార్ 2 3 4 5 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందో సేమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా సార్?
మళ్ళీ హియర్ ఇక్కడ ఒక నల్ పెట్టుకోండి, ఇది రాదు, ఇది వస్తుంది.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఫస్ట్ నాట్ నల్ వాల్యూ కరెక్టా? కెన్ యూ కంప్లీట్ టుడే సీమా? ఓకే. డిఫరెన్స్ between అండర్స్టాండ్ కొలాసిక్ అండ్ ఎన్విఎల్? వెంకట్, శరత్, రమేష్, సీమా?
Yes, sir.
Got it? You need to do more practice. Analytical function bending I'll take Monday. Tomorrow no session.
Okay,
Monday I'll take.
Okay.
Plus I prepared assignment 5.
Okay, sir.
Check it. One more assignment I prepared. Assignment 5. Try to complete it.
Yes, sir.
3 and 4 I forward, right? Today assignment 5. The function only. ASCII value of A 65 will come. Character of 65 A will come. Concatenation function around 17 function I prepared. Try to execute and output to paste it and send it my mail ID.
Okay.
Got it?
This
Today how many
conference is
function
no longer
completed?
being recorded.
String mathematical, only analytical function bending I'll take to